how it sounds. It sounds really great, and it feels like let me increase its volume. Something more bassy and something like it puts you. Oh, it sounds perfect, and although it will take some time to understand its functionality, so I have been using it for the first time. So, as be there on my channel, I'll review more about it. And thanks for watching. As it gives you the immersive sound experience surrounding. It's 2.1 channel with 5200 watt PMPO. Let me tune to the song also. It's my favorite one. I love it. I don't know how to express it. It feels like you have been sitting somewhere and feeling the sound. It's more different. Like now that beat I'm waiting for, because bass and drops. It's what I know, and I have been quite surprised with all these things. So it was quite earnest at the time. I have been trying to review with all these songs, so it's been a quite different understanding and functionality. You may feel the bass into it, because I cannot add bass into it, although it feels nice. Thanks for watching.